Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep
Welcome back, and we are continuing with our web exploitation series. And today we are gonna cover local authority, which is a medium range problem worth of 100 points. If you can see, can you get the flag? This website. So we can copy the link, paste it here. It says secure customer portal. Only letters and numbers allowed for username and password. So by default, I will try admin. Sometimes the configuration is set to the default one, so let's check if it is valid. It says login failed. Let's go to console and check if there are any more sources. We have secure.js which checks for password with username admin, and okay, we got the username correct, but password they have written without any encryption, like just normal text, plain text. So we can copy it and paste it here, login, and we easily got the flag. Paste it here, submit, and we very easily got the 100 points. If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.